Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to tell you guys about this startup that is planning to take over Uber and Lyft. They want to surpass them. I mean, a ton of people obviously have problems with Uber and Lyft right now, as we've made plenty of videos about it. So if you want to learn more about this startup, be sure to keep watching. Anyways, before we get started, if you haven't heard of this app called Solo, it's amazing for gig workers. We have a link down in the description where you can go check it out. If you use that link and sign up and link your gig account, they will send you $15. So you just need to link your PayPal or Venmo, and basically they will guarantee you pay. They track your mileage, they make tax predictions for you. Like, it's so helpful for gig workers, and they have a lot of really awesome features, so be sure to check that out. All right, so there's this new company called Alto, and they just tapped in with investors for a ride-hailing model that includes owning vehicles and employing drivers. So they're a startup that was founded back in 2018, and they are confident that they can do ride hailing better than Uber and Lyft. So this is a Dallas-based company, so they have a lot of options for both passengers and drivers. One of their main goals is to have high security just to ensure everyone's safety. What's cool about Alto is that it's a little bit more classy. They have a whole different hiring structures because they really want to make sure that everyone's safe. So that's what's really cool about it, and I think people are saying it is a little bit more luxe, and that could mean more expensive, but as they expand, I'm sure the prices will be figured out a little bit better. But drivers are supposed to be getting paid way better than Uber and Lyft drivers. So they have cool features like being able to personalize your ride on the app. You can actually control your music and conversation. And there's also a do not disturb thing. So I think it kind of eliminates the awkwardness of figuring out if you want to talk to your driver or not, or as a driver what your passenger wants from you, because then you just put in the app, then no one really has to say anything to each other, and it's kind of just everything's understood. Unlike Uber and Lyft, their drivers are employees and they're not contractors. So there's actually official professional training for the drivers. They do background checks, and drivers get benefits, which is really cool. With any regular job, a lot of the times you'll get healthcare benefits, stuff like that. So I think they want to offer stuff like that for their drivers. So this feels more like a private driver company with a rideshare touch, you know what I mean? And currently they have more than 2,000 5-star ratings. This isn't available in many cities yet, but they do have big plans to expand. So as I said earlier, it started in Dallas. So by the way, I forgot to mention, they have their own cars that say Alto on them, and the cars themselves, they all have Wi-Fi and plugs and everything, so it really ensures that the passenger is super comfortable, and that's the stuff that can connect to the app, so you can control the music from the app in the car, which is really cool. But anyways, so yeah, it's available in Dallas, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, DC, and San Francisco. So I know that's not very many cities right now, but these are very highly populated cities, so I think the company is really going to start to catch on, and that's how they're going to expand. Part of their mission is to give passengers and drivers a really safe and clean driving environment. And every single ride is recorded on video, so if there does happen to be a mishap, it'll be recorded, there's evidence. Also, just being recorded kind of prevents people from doing anything weird or inappropriate, so that's really good, because I've said this before in videos, but I think that Uber and Lyft should require dash cams in drivers' cars. I think they should just send a dash cam to all of their drivers. They have more than enough money to do that, so I think that's something that is really important, because that's how you're gonna really ensure everyone's safety. So what's cool too is that you can try out 14 days for free before getting the membership, and their membership options aren't that bad. It's about $13 per month, but if you pay for a whole year, it's $99, and you can even get a family plan, which is also $99. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of Alto, and if you think it's gonna surpass Uber and Lyft, and if it's gonna keep expanding. Personally, I feel I would like for this to become the new big thing for drivers and stuff, but I feel to me, at least right now, it feels less accessible than Uber and Lyft. and it sounds like I don't know how much the rides actually cost themselves. I was trying to find that out, like aside from the membership. But it sounds like it'd be a little bit expensive, but I think it is good, like from a safety standpoint. I think that's a really good idea. And like someone like me who's had a lot of really terrible Uber and Lyft experiences, like if this app was like big enough to where they have it in a bunch of cities, I would probably use it, to be honest. I think it just depends. You know, it also depends how much money I want to spend on getting a ride, so. But yeah, I do think it's cool, and I really hope they do keep expanding. So anyways, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.